Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device and the recipient's device have nearby share enabled, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and location allowed. Once done, open the Play Store, tap your profile, then choose Share Apps. That immediately lists installed apps. Tap the app you want to send. The system will prepare the package and switch to discovery mode. Do this now so you don't waste time toggling settings later. The transfer begins as soon as the receiver is found. Next, select one or more apps to share from the Play Store list. Batch selection saves time if you have several. Then tap Send. Your device enters discovery mode and the recipient should choose Receive on their end. The transfer uses nearby share and will automatically pick the fastest link, peer-to-peer Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Monitor the progress indicator. Make sure both screens stay awake and devices remain close. If you need to pause, cancel and restart to avoid corrupted packages. Finally, once transfer completes, the receiver installs the app directly or is guided to the Play Store link depending on device policy. Make sure to verify permissions and update the app via Play Store afterwards. If installation is blocked by security settings, toggle the Install from Unknown Sources option or simply send the Play Store link instead. One key troubleshooting tip: if devices don't see each other, turn nearby share, Bluetooth, and location off and back on, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.